Drinking coffee every day does this to your body. Coffee is a beloved beverage known for its ability to fine-tune your focus and boost your energy levels. In addition to its energizing effects, coffee has been linked to a long list of potential health benefits, giving you all the more reason to get brewing. Drinking coffee every day does this to your body. 1. Boosts energy levels. Coffee contains caffeine, a stimulant that has been shown to increase energy levels and decrease fatigue by altering levels of certain neurotransmitters in the brain. 2. May be linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Regular coffee consumption may be linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes over the long term. 3. Could support brain health. Some research suggests that drinking coffee could help protect against Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and cognitive decline. 4. May promote weight management. Coffee could help support weight management and may be linked to decreased body fat. One study also found that people who consumed coffee were more likely to be physically active. 5. Linked to a lower risk of depression. Several studies have found that coffee could be linked to a lower risk of depression and may even be linked to a lower risk of death by suicide. 6. Could protect against liver conditions. Coffee consumption could be linked to a decreased risk of death from chronic liver disease, along with other conditions like liver scarring and liver cancer. 7. Supports heart health. Some research shows that drinking coffee could be linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and heart failure. 8. Could increase longevity. Coffee could be associated with a lower risk of death, regardless of other factors, like age, weight status, or alcohol consumption. Still, more research is needed. 9. May enhance athletic performance. Coffee could improve physical performance and endurance when consumed before exercising. However, some studies have turned up mixed results. Coffee is a popular beverage that researchers have studied extensively for its many health benefits, including its ability to increase energy levels, promote weight management, enhance athletic performance, and protect against chronic disease. Keep in mind that some people may need to limit their intake, including people who are pregnant or breastfeeding, children and adolescents, and people with certain health conditions. Still, drinking coffee in moderation, about 3 to 4 cups per day, has been associated with several health benefits and is generally considered safe for most adults.